stop your pharma greed. Generic drugs are what we need. Novartis, stop your pharma greed. Generic drugs are what we need.
Protest headquarters in New York. Concern is growing in the lead-up to the final act in this long-running legal saga. The last hearing in the case, which opposes Novartis and the Indian state, opens at the Indian Supreme Court at the end of March. If the pharmaceutical giant wins, there is a real risk of weakening the law that enables the medicines.
MSF absolutely licensed for a variety of diseases, as many other treatment providers and donors do. If Novartis wins this case against the Indian government, that will mean that more medical technologies will be granted patents in India. That will mean less affordable medicines for us and for many others. In times where funding for global health is under threat, access to affordable medicines is more important now than ever.
The Indian Supreme Court's verdict is expected sometime in 2012. Until then, NGOs will be campaigning for the rights of the millions of patients who depend on Indian generic medicines.
Generic medicines on production lines in an Indian factory. Protected by the Patents Act, this industry has turned India into the pharmacy for developing countries, a pharmacy subjected to frequent attacks. By extending patents, the pharmaceutical companies prevent the manufacture of generic drugs. For the past 7 years, pharmaceutical company Novartis has been challenging a section of the Act that prohibits patenting minor changes made to one of its anti-cancer drugs. But the case impacts much more than just this one drug. The manufacture of countless affordable medicines is jeopardized. However, on April 1st, the Supreme Court rejected Novartis' plea.
Standing in front of the Supreme Court, Novartis' appeal was dismissed. It basically means that medicines will continue to be produced in India. It does not mean that patents will not be a problem, but they will be less of a problem that we had anticipated. So this is really a big win.
Boniface, Fred, Owen and Augustine live in Malawi. Throughout the world, there are 220,000 people like them living with HIV and who are being treated by MSF, thanks to affordable medicines. Millions of patients will now be able to continue to benefit from affordable treatment.